Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another BoxyCharm unboxing. However, this one is kind of special because it is the first BoxyLuxe unboxing that I'm doing for you guys. So let's get started. I used these products today actually. As you can see, I blow dried my hair with the PYT hair dryer that they included, and I used the hairspray and the makeup products. So I'm gonna go through that, and as I'm talking about it, I'm also gonna go ahead and be inserting the clips of me using it this morning when I was getting ready. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this month's BoxyCharm, it is BoxyCharm Getaway. That is the theme this month, and everything that is included does come with like a getaway type thing. So if you're going on vacation this summer or anything like that, you could take these products on the go. They're very small, but they're very like powerful, I guess. But yeah, okay, so the first one that I got was the Tartiest Pro Glow Cheek Palette, and that comes in version 3. I already went ahead and opened it because I used it today. And it basically says, meet your new everyday staple with the 6-shade Tartiest Pro Glow Cheek Palette version 3, formulated with Amazonian clay. So the retail price for this is actually $45, and as you can see, it comes with 2 mirrors and all the different shades. So the shades is Premier, Dance Floor, Headliner, A-Lister, Autograph, and Backstage. And this one is beautiful. It goes on so smooth, and it is the greatest thing. The next one that we got is this one. It is the Touch in Soul No PoreBlem Prime Essence, and this one is really goopy, but I really like it because it goes on smoothly, and it doesn't give you any fine lines or anything like that. So it came on smoothly, and it was really great, and it smells like not cotton candy, but it smells like honey, but unfiltered honey when you have it in like mint tea. So like mint tea with honey, kind of, it has that smell. But I love this thing. I usually use the No PoreBlem like suede kind of one that comes in a little glass bottle. That's the one that's my daily use one, but I'm so excited to try this. And like I said, I will insert the clip of me putting this on as I'm talking about this. And then the next one that we got was the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss that retails for $17. And it is actually the greatest lip gloss. I thought it was going to be this color, this bright pink color, and it actually isn't. It smells like strawberries. It doesn't really smell like watermelon, but it gives you just a nice little glossy finish on top of your lip gloss, and it goes on smoothly, and it's not tacky at all. So usually with like lip glosses, you see that they're tacky, but this one's actually really smooth, and you can blend it in with like a lipstick. I had a lipstick on under this, so I love this thing. The next thing is the big one, and this one is actually the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. It retails for $85, and it's well worth the $85 because so I can't blow dry my hair to save my life. Me and blow dryers don't get along. The first time that I used it, I burned my hair off to a crisp. But this one, I tried it today in the morning after I took a shower. I was getting ready, and it gave me this like soft wave type hair, and I really like it because it comes with 2 head attachments. I tried both of these. I actually like this one a lot more because it does go ahead and expand across more areas of hair when I'm using it, and this one's more like for a concentrated one. But mine came in this cute pink color, which matches the Dominique lip gloss color, which I thought was really cute. And it comes in this cute little bag that says PYT, so if you're going on vacation, it's perfect to take it in this bag, stick it in your luggage, and then go. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but the Dominique Cosmetics one was actually $17, and it is a full size, and it is cruelty free, so there's a positive to that. And then the next one is the Dr. Brandt Clean Bionic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. That is a mouthful, but I really like Dr. Brandt products. I've gotten it in BoxyCharm before. I got their primer before. I've gotten their Dr. Brandt Vacuum Cleaner face mask, and that one's actually pretty great. But for this one, it is Dr. Brandt, and like I said, it's a mouthful, and it's really cute. I like this color, this little teal color. All these colors are very like vacation-y and bubbly, And then it does go ahead and say on here in the back, to apply to damp skin and gently massage to get rid of skin excess and oil, makeup, and pollution for everyday grime. I actually used this in the morning when I woke up, and it made my face feel so clean and so like fresh that I think I'm going to be using this one from now on instead of the one that I usually use. And this one retails actually for $35, and it's worth the $35. The next one that I really like is the Farmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Cream, Night Serum, and it's the 30mm one. It retails for $58, and it's a 3-in-1 night serum. I actually used this in the morning when I was getting ready after I washed my face, because I'm like, it says night serum, but why not use it in the day? So I used it in the day. It does feel a little tingly on your skin, like it feels like little needles in your skin, but it doesn't feel like painful needles. It just feels like it's cleaning you out and it's like perfecting your skin. So I really like how this one feels. I actually took it out of the box and it looks like this out of the box. And it has a little squishy thing, so I really like this one. And like I said, this one is $58. I'm very excited to see this and see how it like purifies my skin, because I do have some like acne scars. I don't know if you guys have seen it in my other video, but I do have some acne scars that I'm hoping to get rid of eventually. And then the next thing that I love, I absolutely love this, the way it smells, the way it makes your hair feel. This is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast, and it retails for $29, and it smells like summer. I don't know if that's like a smell specifically, but it smells like roses and jasmine and summer and lemonade, and I don't know, it smells delicious, absolutely delicious. I sprayed this on after I blow dried my hair, and that smell is just delicious. It doesn't smell like hairspray, and it doesn't have that like lingering smell, but it does smell delicious and amazing. So much so that my husband, the whole day after I put this on, he just kept telling me, your hair smells delicious. Like, your hair smells fantastic, your hair smells good, I can still smell your hair. And this is after like a whole day of me barely putting it on in the morning and wearing it throughout the day. And right now it's currently like 7 o'clock, but this thing, if you want your husband to smell your hair more, it says Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It smells delicious. I was trying to find the notes of what smell it has in here, but it doesn't seem to tell me. It just says styling and finishing spray, and it doesn't feel like when you put hairspray on that it feels like tacky, that you feel it like that crunch with hairspray. This one, you could run your fingers through it and it still feels soft and silky and smooth, and you can just go like this to your hair. So this one's fantastic. And then the last thing that we got was the Skin&Co Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. I actually tried this as a finishing spray because that's what it said. It said, what did it say on here? It said, shake well before each use and activate the botanical extracts, holding the bottle 8 to 10 inches from the face, close eyes, and mist radiance all over skin. Can be used to set makeup as well as throughout the day to hydrate the skin. I actually used this to set my makeup today after I tried all the products and I was getting ready. Got in my eye, it burned my eye off, and it kind of messed up my mascara. But apart from that, it was really great. Like, I thought it did what it was supposed to do. It set my face and it made me feel like refreshed. I'm kind of scared to spray it in my face because the mist for it isn't that misty. It's more of a like spray bottle spray, so I don't know if you guys can see. So it looks misty there, but when I tried it, or maybe it was because I was first trying it that it like sprayed my face like a hairspray. And then lastly is the mascara, the Tretique Good Vibes mascara. It comes with a curler, and it is also comes with the mascara tube. So let me go ahead and get that. That's actually in my bathroom, so give me a sec real quick. Okay, so this is the mascara, the Tretique. I actually don't like this one because it was clumping. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but you can see how like it clumped my eyelashes together. But yeah, so it comes like this, and you push this down and it clumps it doesn't clump your lashes, but it curls them. I like to curl my lashes with a spoon. I know that sounds really weird to a lot of you, but with a spoon, I basically get it and I go like this, and it curls my lashes to where they look like, not like straight, but where they look like lashes, actually, like where they look like this. But the mascara one is actually really, really nice. If you guys can see it right here, it has that little curve to it, and it actually feels like really, really nice. The only thing I don't like is that it does go ahead and clump like really easily. So I tried putting like 2 coats, because usually I'll put one at the top and then I'll put the one at the bottom to go ahead and lift them more, and this one clumped really easily, so I didn't really like it. Let's see how it is taking off to see if it flakes or not. I haven't really seen any reviews on it flaking or not, but that's pretty much what I think about this one. But I look forward to trying it. Like, I'm not one to not try something. I'll try it once, and if I don't like it, or I'll try it a couple of times and then see how it goes from there. But this one actually retails for $25, and it's actually pretty like heavy, kind of, but not, it's like heavier than a regular mascara, but not heavy to where like it weighs you down. So all in all, I paid $53 for this. I believe that's what it was showing on the account. And then the total price for this, let me go ahead and get that out for you guys. So for the first Tartiest one was $45, plus the Touch in Soul, that was $23. Then the Dominique Cosmetics was $17. The PYT Mini Turbo hair dryer was $85. Or actually, oops. So 45 plus 23 plus 17 plus 85 plus 35 for the Dr. Brandt. The Farmacy was $58, plus the Living Proof Dry Volume Hairspray, the Worth It one, is $29, plus the mascara, which is $25, and the Skin&Co Therapy, that's $35. So the total price for this box was $352, and I only paid $53 essentially. So that's $300 more worth than I paid for it, and I think it's well worth it. It's a really great box. For my box, I actually got version 6B. I know that BoxyCharm usually puts out different versions of the box, and they did go ahead and send an email out this past month saying what you prefer in your box more. So they had like a survey type thing where it's like you just want full makeup products, or you just want face products, or you just want hair products. Then it had like another option of like send me an equal amount of all of them. That's actually the one that I picked, because I like to like have the variety of like all of them. And then it also had the where you just get like skin and like hair products more, and then less makeup, since you get more makeup like in the other boxes. But I picked the all even one, and I'm very excited to see what the next BoxyLuxe box is, if this was just their June box or the next regular BoxyCharm box. So yeah, feel free to go ahead and give this a like or a dislike. If you don't like it, feel free to subscribe and hit that little notification bell. I will go ahead and be putting up more videos soon. I have a DIY prepared for you guys that I'm very excited for you guys to see. But yeah, feel free to go ahead and share it with your friends if you like it, or if you don't like it, or if you want to make fun of it, go for it. But yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you guys, and like I said, I will insert the clips either at the end, or maybe I already inserted it as I was going. But yeah, I look forward to talking to you guys later. Bye!